information. A father who claimed his infant son was abducted last August has now been formally charged with the child's murder. The body of 6-week-old Delano Wilson has never been found, but prosecutors are forging ahead with the prosecution. RTV6's Derek Thomas has that story.
Surveillance camera video is a key piece of evidence against Willie Wilson, but murder cases minus a body are challenging.
Willie, did you do this crime?
24-year-old Willie Wilson is accused of murdering his son, and no body has been recovered. Prosecutors have pieced together a circumstantial case against Wilson, and a few pieces of evidence stand out.
But I think it's very telling that he's on video surveillance shortly before the 911 call was made without the child, and the fact that a couple hours beforehand he was researching missing children on the internet.
Wilson was appointed a public defender, but prominent defense attorney Robert Hammerly weighed in on how a lawyer could combat the surveillance video evidence.
Make sure the time frame. Let's see what else was happening with him then. Let's see if he was in shock. And you know, see if it in any way suggests a defense that would possibly infer that this child may still be alive. And regardless that this guy had absolutely nothing to do with it.
Wilson gave police detailed descriptions of the suspects who allegedly abducted his son. Prosecutors now believe those were characters in a Grand Theft Auto video game. Wilson will have a let-to-bail hearing on April 2nd. Derek Thomas, RTV6.
Deputy Prosecutor Robinson has successfully prosecuted murder cases without a body. More details tonight and what legal experts say is a totally circumstantial case against Willie Wilson. That means there is very little, if any, direct evidence that ties him to the murder of his son. Most problematic, police have yet to find a body, and a coroner has yet to render an opinion on a possible cause of death. Without much scientific or direct evidence, everyone and everything is subject to cross-examination.
The judge is in the middle trying to make the decision of what's fair and what's admissible. And some things are black and white to the judges, and some things have to be considered in the context of that particular case.
Mark Busby, now a defense attorney, spent 13 years as a deputy prosecutor. And tonight on the news at 7, he shares his insights of just how rare and just how challenging it is to prosecute a circumstantial case.